y'all. Okay? And I hope y'all ready. So, y'all that are not gourmand lovers, you might want to just get out the way this season. You just might. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the Frag, coming to you with another video review. And today we are going to get into a Victoria's Secret haul. Haven't done one in a while. So if you're interested in what I picked up, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, if you are new to this channel, hi. My name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there, and hey, we have fun around here. Okay? So if you're interested in doing all of those things, please subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to hear from you. Would love to get to know you all. And hey, family, welcome back. And thank you so much for your support. Missed you guys. I just saw you guys. Those that are new, we are family around here, okay? We are not friends. We are family. And I call people my family. I'll tell you why. I have a large family, okay? I know not everybody has maybe the greatest family or even a large family. You might have a small family, but I have just always been a family type of person. My family, we're close. Even if we're, around the entire U.S. and some are in France, So we're everywhere, but I feel like family is just like the closest. Like, hey, you stick up for your family. You're not gonna let nobody talk about your family. What you say?
What you say about my mama?
And I just want us to be like that around here, just a close, tight-knit group. And so that's why I call you all my family, okay? But who you want to be in a family, you could be an auntie, you could be a cousin, grandma, sister, brother, niece, nephew. You can be whoever you want to be in this family, okay? Totally up to you. Welcome. Okay. Anyway, we're going to get into this Victoria's Secret haul, okay? So I did a little shopping. Okay, I know. But picked up some things, and let me tell you all, they had some new fragrances that I have not seen, nor have I been on Victoria's Secret site in a little while. So they had the Bare Vanilla Golden. So I don't know how long this has been out, but this has Sugar Tonka, Orchid Blossom, Bare Vanilla at Golden Hour. I don't know what that means. So
I don't know what that means.
I smelled this in Victoria's Secret and I really enjoy it. But you know what? I get all of the Bare Vanilla flankers. I love it. This is probably one of my favorite of the flankers that they have. Like they have, what is it? Pure Seduction. They have different ones, right? And I feel like this is my favorite out of them. I always try to at least get the flanker. And I did. Okay, so this is what I got. And I like it. I mean, it's not earth-shattering, groundbreaking, or anything like that, but it's a really good vanilla. I can't get the golden part that they were trying to do, but it's vanilla. Okay, moving on. Next, I have in the bag Star Smoked amber. Do you all have this? Okay, let's talk about this. Let's talk about it. On the back, it says Amber Delilah Sparks, a marshmallow halo, crackling cedar wood.
What?
I don't know what any of that means, but to me, I really got a smoky amber. And what I mean by that, have you all smelled Replica Fireplace? I love that fragrance, right? But I think it's for a season. It's for like winter, like late fall. Anytime I wear Replica by the Fireplace, I always wear it during that time. It is so awesome. I never knew that a body spray or a fragrant mist wanted to tap into that type of smokiness. But I feel like, you know what? Victoria's Secret on this one, they kind of stepped out of there. They kind of stepped out of their little, crowd-pleasing fragrances. They kind of stepped out and was like, oh, let's give them something different. Honey, this is different. I was totally taken back by this, and I was like, okay, I see you, Victoria's Secret. You trying to creep in on the Bath and Body Works? You like, no, I am the auntie, or I am the mama, or I don't know. But you trying to do something different. This is good to me. I think you need to get your nose on it. It's not a crowd pleaser, but if you do like Replica by the Fireplace, you're going to love this fragrance. It gives you a smoky amber smelling fragrance. And I have another smoky fragrance. I have actually a couple of smoky fragrances that I'm thinking about pairing it with. I'm also thinking about pairing this with Love Fest Kayali that I just got, because of that smokiness and that cherry. This might be a winner, so I would definitely get your hands on this, especially for layering in the winter and in the fall. Okay, I would probably do this possibly early fall, but definitely late fall. But this is a good one. So this is Star Smoke Amber. I highly suggest. Moving on, the last fragrance mist I got was Pure Seduction Golden, okay? And I normally don't get Pure Seduction, but out of the flankers, this one also spoke loud to me in the golden realm. So this is Gladed Amber, Mongolian Flower, Pure Seduction at Golden Hour.
That doesn't make sense.
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
Okay, whatever. Anyway, this kind of gave me a more fruity, floral fragrance, okay? Like the Mongolia flower just bursts through, but it also gives me that fruity smell. And I don't know if it's like a melon in there. It doesn't have that on the nose, but I feel like this gives me like melon, like a fresh fruit, okay? This is so pretty. Highly suggest getting this flanker, and I normally don't, I don't roll into the Pure Seduction all the time, but this is a good one. This actually made me turn my head and was like, huh? What she say? Oh, I see you, girl. This is a good one. So if you are a Pure Seduction fan, a flanker fan, honey, this is a good one. Y'all got a good one. If you want to just try it, or you have Pure Seduction and you're like, you know what, sis, I love a good Pure Seduction, didn't mind it, this is a good one, okay? But you have to like a fruity, but like a light, fresh fruit, okay? but that Mongolian flower does come through, okay? Pick that up. And last, but certainly not least, da 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 da. Okay, just had to give it like, that was my drum roll. Okay, anyway, so we have the new Tease Sugar Fleur. Okay? Now, let's talk about this. Okay. If you are new to this channel, your sis normally does the body spray of the perfumes. Okay? I don't always think it's like worth it to buy Victoria's Secret perfumes. And I say that because I have a large collection, and buying a large perfume, because I have such a large collection for Victoria's Secret, which those perfumes cost around $68, sometimes $75, is not always something I'm like, okay, I'll do that. No, sometimes I'm just like, you know what? They have a body spray in the perfume. Let me just get that. This changed your sis mind. I smelt it. I looked at the body spray and I was like, okay, I need I need the perfume now. Like, I was like, I needed the perfume. Point blank, period. This is a total marshmallow candy fragrance, okay? So again, gourmand lovers, I told y'all, I keep telling y'all, this is delicious season, okay? Make sure you comment delicious season, spread it around the fragrance community. This is delicious season because the gourmands is coming. Okay? They like pat, 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 pat. They like, what you want? What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
All right.
They coming. They coming for y'all. Okay? And I hope y'all ready. So y'all that are not gourmand lovers, you might want to just get out the way this season.
Move. Get out the way.
You just might want to, go to the corner, sit on the corner, and just wait till next year, okay? Then they might, pick you back up. But if you are not into gourmands, honey, I'm sorry. Okay. But those that are, honey, let's do it. Let's do it. Delicious season. Look at this little cutie. Look at her. And I had to pick it up just because she is so cute. Look at the little flowers. Got a little flower. She all dressed up for me. Honey, this is candy marshmallow on steroids. Okay? Get this. I don't know if this has cotton candy in it, but this sugar, cotton candy, marshmallow. This is so good. I'm not even gonna hold you up. Don't get the body spray. Get the perfume. And I have not bought a Victoria's Secret perfume in a minute. Get the perfume. If you like that type. I like a cookie, cakey, cookie, candy type of fragrance. I told you this, right? If you like that, this is what you want. Okay? I am so excited about this that not just because it's pink, right? That I'm going to pair this, because I also just got this. You all just probably seen the video on it. But I got Burberry Her Elixir. Well, I'm about to pair this about to be a whole layering combination. Who joining me? Hurry up. Hurry up and join your sis. Hurry up. I'll wait. Hurry up and join me and get this. Okay? Okay. This is Tease. Okay? This is Sugar. Come on, come and join the club. Be a creamy, sexy, sugary, cotton candy lover or something. You know, smell like a dream. These men gonna be chasing you like, what you got? What you got going on? This is what I got going on. Oh, can I get your number? I think about it. Get this. Get this. Get it. I'm not lying. This is good. I'm sold. Well, that's it. Well, that is all, guys. That is my Victoria's Secret haul. Hey, what are you doing? Come on, subscribe. Join this beautiful village, okay? Give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Hey, are you going to Victoria's Secret and picking up any of this? You should. My headband's about to fall off. It's so good, my headband about to fall off. You should. It's amazing. So I'll see you there. I mean, I already got mine, so I might not be going back to Victoria's Secret. But if there's any other picks that I should look into from Victoria's Secret, let me know. That other, I can't think of it, was like an apple. It came with this flanker or this collection, I believe. I wasn't interested in any of that, but this one, if you wanted to know. Nothing striked me, okay? But that was me. Okay. But if you are picking up anything from Victoria's Secret, again, let me know. Comment down below. Would love to hear from you. And until next time, family, you all be good to yourself, okay? Hello. But until next time, bye, family.